Hello everyone. And welcome back once again to another interesting video. In today's video we'll discuss top 5 popular data analytics certifications that professionals may consider to enhance their skills and advance their careers. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. The world of data analytics shimmers with unexplored potential, a vast ocean of insights waiting to be unearthed. Yet, navigating this labyrinthine realm demands more than curiosity, it necessitates potent tools and honed skills. I'll provide a more concise overview of 5 popular data analytics certifications, along with brief explanations. Each certification offers unique benefits, and the choice should align with your career goals and industry demands. Choose wisely, dear aspirant, for each unlocks a unique gateway within the boundless data fortress. 1. The Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate, your digital Rosetta Stone. For the uninitiated, this Google Coursera concoction is your Rosetta Stone, a gateway to deciphering the cryptic language of data. Imagine a grimoire, an ancient tome brimming with spells for manipulating information. Within 6 moons, you'll master the art of data wrangling with Python and SQL as your enchanted quills, crafting compelling narratives from spreadsheets that once resembled indecipherable scribbles. Picture yourself weaving mesmerizing data visualizations, each chart and graph a captivating story that speaks volumes to tech giants. This beginner's potion grants you the power to write your own chapters in the tech odyssey, empowering you to transmute raw data into career-defining insights. 2. The IBM Data Analyst Professional Certificate, forging your skills in the dojo of data. For those hungry to hone their blades in the crucible of data analysis, this edX creation is your dojo. Picture yourself a data samurai, your skills whetted on intricate data puzzles with Python and Tableau as your katana and wakizashi. Financial constraints crumble before this program's flexible options and potential aid, paving the way for opportunities at IBM, Accenture, and beyond. Emerge from this dojo, your blades gleaming with analytical expertise, a data samurai ready to conquer any information dragon and land coveted roles at esteemed organizations. 3. The Microsoft Certified Power BI Data Analyst Associate, painting symphonies with data's palette. Channel your inner maestro with this Microsoft-forged elixir. Envision data as your musical score, cleansed and analyzed, then transformed into dazzling dashboards that sing with vibrant melodies. Whether you're a seasoned data conductor, a business analyst, or simply a data-dappled artist, this certification equips you with the tools to conduct symphonies of information that tell captivating stories. Conquer the single exam, and you'll become a sought-after data maestro, your visual harmonies captivating audiences at Microsoft and beyond. Picture yourself standing before captivated executives, your data-driven melodies influencing the very direction of the company and propelling you to mid-level analyst roles in renowned organizations. 4. The AWS Certified Data Analytics Specialty, Scaling the Cloud-Powered Summit. For seasoned data alchemists, this certification is your sky-forged elixir, propelling you to the cloud-powered summit. Imagine yourself soaring above the data landscape, wielding the power of Redshift, EMR, and Kinesis like celestial tools. This challenging concoction demands mastery, tested in the crucible of the DAS C01 exam. But the rewards are celestial. Lucrative opportunities at Amazon and cloud-centric companies await those who conquer this peak. Ascend to the pinnacle of cloud-powered data analysis, your expertise illuminating the path for others to follow and opening doors to senior-level positions at prestigious cloud-based companies. 5. The Certified Analytics Professional or CAP, the Philosopher's Stone of Data-Driven Decisions. Are you a data alchemist seeking to transmute insights into strategic action? This IIBA potion is your Philosopher's Stone, a potent elixir that elevates your analytical and problem-solving skills while mastering the art of communication, stakeholder management, and business process understanding. Think of it as the Rosetta Stone for translating data's dialect into the language of actionable business decisions. The single exam tests your real-world application through scenario-based and essay questions. But emerge victorious, and you'll unlock senior-level roles at Fortune 500 companies, shaping the future of data-driven strategies. Imagine yourself as a trusted advisor, a bridge between the realms of data and action, guiding organizations toward success with your analytical wisdom and propelling yourself to leadership positions at esteemed companies. Conclusion. Remember, each of these certifications is a unique key, opening distinct doors within the data fortress. Choose wisely, considering your experience, learning style, and career aspirations. Embrace continuous learning and hands-on practice, for with dedication and the right tools, you'll navigate the labyrinth of data, leaving your mark on the world, one insightful discovery at a time. So, venture forth, data alchemists, and claim your rightful place in the vibrant tapestry of the information age. May your explorations be fruitful, your analyses insightful, and your career trajectory ever upwards. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.